Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 movers, cheap, Pukalani, local and long-distance movers near me. Moving can cause you so much concern or agitation that you acquire symptoms of anxiety or irritation. No need to worry about moving when the right solution is just a phone call away. In Pukalani, 3 Movers is a reputable moving company and one of the top moving companies out there. Moving solutions for local and long-distance, intrastate, or interstate migrations are something we take great delight in. Offer a moving company with good client evaluations and proven track records of delivering on its promises or efficiency and reliability. As a customer-focused company, 3 Movers strives to deliver secure, safe, and reliable long-distance moving services. It is very important to note that we are registered, licensed, and insured. We offer great services at an affordable rate, and we'll provide you with a quote for your long-distance move at any place you want. The classification of local moves is within 100 miles, easy to accomplish in one day. Still, sometimes the amount of luggage, weather conditions, and the number of professional movers can push the period to 2 days maximum. 3 Movers specializes in long-distance and local moves. We are FMCSA compliant and take our employees' safety seriously so that they can take the same precautions with their belongings. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Pukalani moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.